So, I had so much fun making the video roasting It's Everyday Bro. And if you guys didn't know, I made a video roasting Gucci Gang, but shot and I had that video copyright striked. I was crying myself to sleep. I'm overreacting, but I got copyright striked on that video. So, I'm asking you guys to give me suggestions on what song I should roast. But it has to be a bad song. Not like some Eminem, some good music and stuff. Like a bad song. Well, maybe I can add, maybe, how do I say this? Maybe I can roast a song of mine that is going to get somebody in my class offended. That literally that I was on the phone with. Please send help. Wow, what a loser, dancing alone. Save me.
Baby, tell me what you in it for.
Stop pointing at me!
And mess it with her for.
Are you sniffing ERIKA or something? Warning headphone users. I'm gonna give you some time to lower down your headphones so your ears don't bleed. Lower down your headphones. I did not put it at max volume. You're welcome.
Y'all don't need the dead away.
Look at these losers behind her. I said stop pointing at me.
Don't need drama. Don't need girl.
I hope they both fall into the pool.
So honestly, just
whoa, lonely loser back at it again.
chitty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang.
Hold up, so you want to say the most stupid things and then think you're like being like so cool and everything. Like, oh, I'm so hot. Like, shut up, but get that out of my face.
I'ma fish you up like a ship brand new. Like a different man when I'm done with you.
This entire time I've been wondering, what is wrong with your lipstick?
Boom, boom, boom.
What in the world was that?
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Chitty, chitty, bang, bang, chitty, chitty, bang. I'ma get you alone up in my room.
Chitty, chitty, bang, bang, chitty, bang. Chitty, chitty, bang, bang.
Like a different man when I'm done with you. Boom, boom, boom.
Back at it again with the boom, boom, boom.
Chitty chitty bang 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 bang.
Chitty, chitty, bang, bang. Chitty, chitty, bang, bang.
Chitty chitty bang 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 bang. Chitty chitty.
Oh, we got the most intense battle of chess. Oh my God, Mr. Paul lost.
Chitty chitty bang 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 bang.
Chitty chitty bang bang.
Oh, guys, get ready for some bars by Lil Brick.
Chitty chitty boom. Flat stomach, green eyes, she a 10.2. And I
Chitty, chitty, bang, bang. I'm totally not in my mom's house in the hallway, pretending to be a gangster rapper. I am mental. Somebody send help. Send help.
in that body emulation move. And I'm trying to change the last name to Jake Paul's boo. Hey. She the type of girl that can hang with the crew. Yeah. She the type of girl to back it up on you.
You're disgusting, Jake.
She the type of girl, no makeup still cute. Hey girl, let me get with you.
Oh, yeah, I kidnapped the dog.
Brand new. Yeah.
Honestly, I don't even know what to say anymore.
I ain't trying to come between. I'm just thinking for your sanity.
skip this.
Girls who honestly just suck. Chitty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty boo.
Chitty chitty chitty, bang bang, chitty chitty boo. I think I'm gonna go get some brand new shoes, cause this is why I have no friends.
I'ma fish you up like the shit brand new. Like a different man when I'm done with you. Boom, boom, boom. Chitty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty boo. I'ma get you alone up in my room. Like a different man when I'm done with you. Boom, boom, boom.
Boom, 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 boom.
And I know you got trust issues. You waited way too long. I know you got baggage that you
1980s Jake Paul.
But I'm
Nice. Jake kidnapped the dog for me. Oh God. Go back to bathing.
and I have you feeling some way. Chitty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty boo. I'ma fish you
This song honestly makes me want to cry.
up like the shit brand new. Brand new. Like a different man when I'm done with you. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh my God, that was horrible. I can't even take it. Okay, YouTube, take my video down and copyright strike me. Take it down. I don't give two flips. Re-upload.
Zero.